Welcome to Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to do a mixed tenses quiz to help you practice and improve your grammar.
That's right. A quiz is a great way to check your understanding of English tenses. We will give questions, explain the answers, and show you why one tense is correct and another is not. By the end, you will feel much more confident about using tenses.
Let's begin with our first question. Fill in the blank. She, go, to school every day. The options are A, goes, B, is going, C, went.
The correct answer is A, goes. This is present simple because it talks about a habit or routine. If we said is going, it would mean only right now, not every day. Went is past tense, but here the phrase every day points to a repeated present action.
Question 2. They watch TV right now. Options: A, watched, B, are watching, C, watch.
The answer is B, are watching. The phrase right now shows present continuous, so the correct sentence is, they are watching TV right now.
Question 3. I eat breakfast yesterday morning. Options: A, eat, B, ate, C, have eaten.
The answer is B, ate. We use past simple because yesterday morning is a finished time expression. So the sentence is, I ate breakfast yesterday morning.
Question 4. She finished her homework just now. Options: A, finished, B, finishes, C, has finished.
The correct answer is C, has finished. The word just often goes with present perfect to show a recent action with a result in the present. So the correct sentence is, she has finished her homework just now.
Question 5. He play football when it started to rain. Options: A, plays, B, was playing, C, has played.
The answer is B, was playing. This is past continuous because the action was happening when another event interrupted it. So we say, he was playing football when it started to rain.
Question 6. By next week, I complete this project. Options: A, will complete, B, will have completed, C, completed.
The correct answer is B, will have completed. The phrase by next week shows future perfect, which describes an action finished before a specific future point. So the sentence is, by next week I will have completed this project.
Question 7. They live in this city since 2010. Options: A, lived, B, live, C, have lived.
The correct answer is C, have lived. The word since connects the past to the present, so we use present perfect. The correct sentence is, they have lived in this city since 2010.
Question 8. I study for 2 hours before you arrived. Options: A, studied, B, had been studying, C, was studying.
The correct answer is B, had been studying. This is past perfect continuous, showing the duration of an action before another past event. So the sentence is, I had been studying for 2 hours before you arrived.
Question 9. At 10 p.m. tomorrow, she travel to Lahore. Options. A. Will travel. B. Will be traveling. C. Traveled.
The answer is B, will be traveling. The phrase at 10 p.m. tomorrow points to a specific time in the future when the action will be in progress. So the correct sentence is, she will be traveling to Lahore at 10 p.m. tomorrow.
Question 10. He work here for 10 years by the end of this month. Options. A. Will have worked. B. Has worked. C. Will work.
The answer is A, will have worked. This is future perfect because it talks about the length of time completed by a future deadline. So the correct sentence is, he will have worked here for 10 years by the end of this month.
Let's add some correction questions. Sentence 1. I am knowing the answer. Correct or wrong?
That is wrong. Know is a state verb, not usually used in continuous. The correct sentence is, I know the answer.
Sentence 2. She didn't went to school yesterday.
That is also wrong. With did, we use the base form of the verb. The correct sentence is, she didn't go to school yesterday.
Sentence 3. They have already finished their lunch.
That one is correct. Have finished is present perfect, and the word already fits well.
Sentence 4. I was reading when the lights went out.
That's correct too. Past continuous was reading sets the background, and past simple went out shows the interruption.
Now let's make one final challenge question for our viewers. Fill in the blank. By tomorrow morning, we travel for 10 hours. Options. A. Will travel. B. Will have traveled. C. Will have been traveling.
The best answer is C, will have been traveling. This is future perfect continuous because it focuses on the duration of an action up to a future point. So the correct sentence is, by tomorrow morning, we will have been traveling for 10 hours.
That was a great quiz. Through these questions, we covered present, past, and future tenses. We also practiced simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous.
Yes, and we also corrected some common mistakes. This shows how important it is to read carefully, look at signal words, and think about the meaning before choosing the tense.
So, what have we learned in this video? We learned how to answer questions with the correct tense, how to use signal words like since, for, yesterday, and by tomorrow, and how to avoid errors with state verbs and auxiliary verbs.
And we learned that practicing with a quiz is one of the best ways to improve your grammar. The more you test yourself, the more confident you will be in choosing the right tense in speaking and writing.